Hello friends, today I will tell you about SwiftBoss, that how to use SwiftBoss in Solidworks. So let's get started. First of all we will click on new, then click on part, then OK. As you can see, SwiftBoss is hidden condition right now. So make it on, we have to create path and profile first. So let's create, click on sketch and click on plane. Draw a path and OK. For creating a profile, we have to create a plan first. Select sketch, select this point. OK, the plane has been created. Click sketch, select this plane, make it normal, select, give the dimension of the circle 30 mm. The profile and path has been created. Now we'll go in feature, click on SwiftBoss. As you can see, the profile and path, select profile, and second is select path. Your object has been ready with the help of SwiftBoss. There are many options to creating a SwiftBoss. First is follow path, second is keep normal constant, and third is follow path and first guide curve, fourth is follow first and second guide curves, and fifth is twist along path, and sixth is twist along path with normal constant. I will tell you everything by step. So right now we go with follow path. OK. Keep normal constant. First we will create profile and path. Click on sketch, choose a plane, draw a profile, path. Click on OK. Create a plan, select feature, reference geometry, click on plan, select the sketch, select this point, click OK. Go into sketch, click on sketch, select plane, make it normal, coincident this point with this, give the dimension of the profile, click on OK. Click on feature, SwiftBoss, the profile automatically selected. Select path, click on options, keep normal constant. You can see in the object the profile is parallel everywhere, like here, here, here and here. The object is ready with the keep normal constant. Follow path and first guide curve. Click on sketch, then choose a plane for creating a profile. Profile has been created. Now create a path. Click on sketch, choose a plane, then make it normal. Click on sketch, give the dimension of the profile, sorry, path. Click on OK. Now third sketch we will create for guide curve. Choose a plane, make it normal. Click on OK. The sketch has been created for creating a swept boss. Now click on feature, click on swept boss, select profile, then select path, follow path and first guide curve. Click on guide curve, the object has been created by follow path and first guide curve. Follow first and second guide curve. Click on sketch, choose a plane for creating a profile. Click on ellipse, then OK. Then click on sketch for creating path, select plane, give the dimensions 130 and OK. Create third sketch for guide curve. Click sketch, choose a plane, make it normal. Right click, select OK. Then create fourth sketch for second guide curve. Select right plane, make it normal. Click on OK. Profile path and guide curves has been created. And click on feature, swept boss base, select profile, then select path, click on options, follow first and second guide curves, click on guide curves, first guide curve and second guide curve. The object is ready. Then click on OK. Twist along path. Click on sketch, choose print plane, insert line for draw a path. Click on OK. Insert new sketch for create profile. Click on right plane, make it normal. The dimensions. Make it vertical. Click on features, then click on swept boss, select profile, select path, click options, twist along path. We can define by degrees, radians, turns. I will choose turns for example. Click on OK. Object is ready by using twist along path. Twist along path with normal constant. Click on sketch, choose a front plane for creating path. Give the dimensions. Click on OK. Then create new sketch for profile and choose the right plane, make it normal. Draw a profile. Okay, click on features, swept boss, select profile, then select path, go to in the option, select twist along path with normal constant, define wide turns as example. You can see this face and this face is parallel. Okay, thin feature in swept boss. Click on sketch, choose a front plan for creating path, right click, select, OK. Click on features, reference geometry, click on plane, select sketch, select this point, OK. The plane has been created. Then OK. Click on sketch for creating profile, make it normal. The dimensions 30 mm. Click on OK. Go into feature, click on swept boss, then select profile, select on path, click on thin features, you can choose the, you can click here for reverse direction like this. There are three options: one direction, mid direction and two direction. I'll choose mid direction for example. Sketch in middle. The object is ready. Thanks for watching.